Now let's understand how to set hyperlink for the desired information outside the workbook available within a different MS Excel workbook. Here in this case, I want to link this particular text, that is participants, to a data available in this particular folder at this location. This is outside my existing workbook. While setting this, you should know where your data is. You should know path of the desired location, path of the desired information. Let's see how to set it. Right click on the cell, click on hyperlink. Now here in this case my data is available somewhere in existing file, not in same data. So you will have to click on existing file. And let's go right from beginning. My data is available there in location in F drive in QA document folder in MS Excel trainings, Pune, and I want to have details of participants for Excel training so far. So this is my file. Now I want to change the text herein. So this is the place where you can set the text which you want to be appear there in the cell. Let's change this to participant so far rather than only participant, and click on OK. After clicking on OK, just observe the changes what could happen. See, here it is participant, we had changed it for participant so far. We had lead to a specific location. That will create a path for you for the hyperlink. See, now it changed to participant so far. If you click on this link, it will lead directly to a workbook wherein you have list of participants who attended different Excel trainings so far. Got it?